I'm going to be showing you how to make a button on an Android app. It could be its own app, but it probably won't be. It'll probably be part of an app that you're making. You can start by starting an empty project in Android Studio. Okay, so first you can go over here to the res folder, layout, and go into activity main. You can just delete this, you don't need that. Oops, delete the whole thing. And then add a button. This is for the text of the button, so we'll just put click me. You can put whatever you want. Then if you tap on each of these plus signs, it'll center it. Then go over to manifest, Android manifest. And then we're going to type in just 2 little lines here, right here. And this is where you type in the website that you'd be going to. This is the one I'm going to. You'll probably have something else. Okay, then you can get out of that and go to the Java, under the Java folder into the main activity, and then that brings up main activity.java here. And drop that down. And we're going to add a few imports first. Then come right here. and then run it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here's our button. Just click it and it should take you to the web page. If you haven't used this before, then you just have to select what you want it to do here. And there you go. This one's not optimized for viewing here, but it goes to the website. And then to go back at that. And there you have it.